Hi, my name is Cassie Rogers. I am the controller for the International Auto Spa. We are a top-rated full-service car wash in Sarasota, Florida. We've been in business since April of 2018. We had a piece of land that we weren't sure what to do with. So Larry Morgan decided to build a car wash. The transition going from one system to another was really, really easy. We were able to download our current membership information into the Sonny system, and Carmisha did a wonderful job with that. Our members didn't really even notice the change. That was a wonderful option that Sonny's provided for us. They took the old equipment and it was wonderful. It helped tremendously purchasing the new system. And we've had great success. They rebuilt our website for us. They've been very responsive to getting our promotions up and running, publicizing our switch over from the previous system to the new system. And we've just had total success. Everything is done via the internet and downloads that go right into the pay stations and into our POS systems. The equipment itself will not have to be replaced. So any type of updates that Sonny's does do, it has been seamless since we've gotten the system, and I do know that we've had 3 update sets. The learning curve has been wonderful. I have not really had too many issues with the learning curve. It's really self-explanatory. I think Sonny's has thought of every single thing that a car wash needs. And the questions that a customer would bring to you. You get your sales by line item, you can get your sales, by group. There's a search feature on the back office that is just amazing. And then the customer service line, you always get a live person, and they're just on top of things. As long as you have your login, so I can always look at the performance of the car wash. I can always help a customer if they're having an issue because I have that capability of logging in to the Sonny system wherever I am. I can do my price changes. I can set up house accounts. I can add washes, delete washes, change my prices for the day. It's amazing that the marketing tool within the back office is extremely easy, and it updates immediately, so that's a really good thing too. So the reporting section is amazing. There's just an endless number of reports. If you want to know something, you can find it in the report section. It's definitely paying for itself. Every month is, since we've switched over, has covered the monthly fee that we put on our books. Sonny's has really built a system that makes the car wash business easy. So if you've got great customer service, you can count on having a good car wash. So very, very life-saving.